What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Homestead Dan for yet another video. Today, I'm gonna be talking about some of the things that I've been building. I actually built quite a few things. Ever since I moved out here, I've been learning how to build stuff because one, I'm in the middle of nowhere, and two, I didn't necessarily have the resources to go access some of the things that I would typically go to the store and just buy with money. And so I had to learn to utilize my hands to build things that we can use around here. So recently I built out a box, a storage box, like a storage unit box, and I built out a chicken coop actually, which is actually pretty nice. That's actually one of the first things I actually built out. But in this video, I'm going to be talking about something that I actually built fairly recently. It's actually concerning our generator. So I did apologize for the noise, but I did post a video short about it. So by the time that I should post this video, the video short should be out already. I had already built it out, and what was happening is that I was actually having a little bit of complications. Well, I won't say complications. I should have probably just done it. But when I built it out, this little roof thing that I did for my generators, it still had like a little wobbly and shake to it. And I just recently fixed it. And so this is kind of like an update video about that piece that I did. And hopefully this is going to be a helpful tip for those who are interested in just building stuff. And I'm no master at building anything, but I gotta say, actually, this is one of my better pieces, I think, that I actually built. So I'm actually very proud of it. But to those who are looking to make a more sturdy thing, I think this would definitely help. So I'm going to show you all like what I did to upgrade it and made it more sturdy than what it was before. And you can go check out the video short that I did and this video and see the before and after of what I did. So let me go over here and show you all. This is the updated version of this little roof for our generators that I built here. As you can see, I attached a piece of wood from this corner to down here, and it once had a little wobble to it. Now it's like nice and sturdy. I also attached it to the back as well. It's not the best piece of wood, but you know, I'm making what I got. So, but this ain't going nowhere. This is not going nowhere. So as you can see, like I'm literally just shaking it right now. As you can see, before it had just a little bit of wobble to it, but now it's like nice and sturdy. It's not going anywhere. I did the same thing here. Attached a piece of wood here, and I nailed it. Just regular nails. Boom. This is not the best nailing job, but it is what it is. It ain't going nowhere. And again, like I said, this thing is barely even wobbling. You see, so yeah. So believe it or not, this is a little trick that I actually learned from my dad. So shout out to my dad for teaching me how to make something more secure and more sturdy, because this absolutely worked. Before I was just thinking about making just one super long, but I don't have a piece of wood that long, because again, this is made solely out of pallet wood here. But this is just fine. If you ever want to make anything sturdy, just consider, you know, doing this. Just consider doing that. You know, and trust me, this thing is not even budging. It's not budging. I will consider maybe doing a small piece from right here to right here, and the same thing on this side too, just a small piece from right here to right here. But I don't think that will be necessary. The only reason why I'm saying that is because, like, kind of the front is a little bit just still got a little wobble to it, you know. So I think just a small piece right here and a piece over there will stop that front from really kind of caving in a little bit, because these are separate boards. So this board right here and this board right here, this is separate. This is not just one long board. I had to create a little kind of a attachment piece so that I can nail this piece of wood to it, and then this piece of wood to that, and then all of these, same thing with all of these woods on this side, and same with all these wood on this side. And then what I did was to further secure it from kind of caving in was screw a more secure piece of wood. This is a thicker piece. This is a thicker piece right here, and I secured it so it can stop from kind of caving in, because it's not that supported. You know, I try to support it as much as possible, and it's fine. It's fine, but to stop that, you know, that little cave, that little dipping down action, I would probably put a piece right here, But you know, that's if I want to go the extra mile. I think that this is what do. So I'm very happy with the way that this came out now. Very happy with the way that this came out. So yeah, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button if you like the video. Consider leaving a like as well. So thank you all for watching. Peace and God bless.